Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you the key features and benefits of Dataczar by navigating the main menu at connect.dataczar.com. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to dataczar.com. You can either sign up right here or you can log in. We already have an account, so let's go ahead and get logged into our account. We'll get our username and our password. That's going to take us to the dashboard button. And the dashboard button is real simple. It's the key place that you go to. It has some quick links depending on how far you are on your account setup. Depends on which quick links you have. We have a preview your website link and add a new post to your website and create a email right here. So we can click on any of these quick links to do these tasks, or we can click on our main menu buttons. And since we're navigating the main menu today, we're going to focus on these buttons. So the first button we're going to go to is our website button here. And the website button is actually the website builder. And you can start building your website through posts, pages, and settings. Now we already have a website that we've been working on, and it's going to be right here under our public preview URL. And each account comes with a public preview URL. So there's already a website pre-built when you register an account. If you have a domain name registered, it's going to show right here. But let's go ahead and look at our public preview website. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go full screen here. So let's go F11. And this is the website that we've been working on. It's our AAA outdoor scenes. And we have these different posts that we've put on that. Let's go back to Connect. So right now we're on website, and this is what I explained was our website builder. So you have posts right here. You can edit a post or create a new post. We have pages. You can edit a page or create a new page. Settings. You can adjust your background and your color schemes. And then you have analytics, which just gives you some information of who visited your website. So that's through the website button right here. The next button we have is emails. If you want to create an email to send to your list, you can create a blank email here. We already have one preloaded. This is a email that we loaded earlier. And this is one we created through our AAA outdoor scenes. So there's the email button. And if I wanted to send that, I could send that to my list. To do the email marketing, of course, you need to have a list of subscribers. So you're going to click on lists here. And you can add subscribers individually by clicking in this box right here. Or you can upload a list by clicking on upload. You can either drop the CSV file or you can just click in here. And that's going to open your browser where you can load your CSV file. So there's your lists button right here. And then also we have domains. And if you don't yet have a domain registered, it's going to look like this. Let's just quickly go to a different website. And this website here has the domain registered already. So if you have the domain registered, you can go to settings here and you can redirect it or forward it to a different website. And then also you have your email forwarding here. So let's go back to our webinar, back to domains, and that's the domains button. The next button we have is our content button. And the content button contains the images for working on your website. You can upload an image by selecting an image here, again on your browser through your computer, or you can search images for free images here. For example, mountain stream, and that comes up with all these free images here. Or you can go to My Images, and these are images that we have preloaded. So these are the images that when we built our website, our AAA outdoor scene, that's what we had there. So let's go back to Connect, and that's the content button. And then the next button we have is automation. And automation, again, is with the email marketing. And this is where you can create a newsletter from your website. You noticed on our website that we have, on our home page, we have these posts. Picture gallery, hiking above the clouds, our latest beautiful rainbows. And if you look on Connect here, you can load that through our Get Started button. And it's real easy. You just click on the newsletter and it loads your feed here. So you load your feed and then you end up here and you can preview it right here, or you can edit it here. And then there's our webinar right here. And there's the post that we had from the website. And then that's going to create our newsletter. And once you have that loaded into automation, it's real easy to create the email. You just click on the Create button here. It's going to take you from automation up to email. So let's just click on that. It takes us to email, and it created our email right here. And then we can send that to our list that we went over just a little bit earlier. And that's how automation works. It makes it really easy and convenient to create emails. The next button we have is our Manage Accounts button. And what you do is you click on the Edit button right here. And every website comes preloaded with a map. Again, let's go back to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. Here's our map. It has our website name, well, webinar, our account name, and then also it has our city, state, zip, and phone number. And if you want the map, you leave it checked. If you don't want the map, you uncheck that. You can adjust the phone number. You can add an address. You can have only the phone number if you want. You can also add social media down here. For example, if you wanted to add Facebook, you could do that right there. We're not going to add social media today, but that's how you would do that. And then that's through our Manage Accounts. The next button we have is our Education button. And the Education button, you have access to all these ebooks for email marketing. And then also you have access to the videos for working on your website, how to change the look of your website, and so forth. These are all the different tutorial videos. And then the next two buttons are Billing, and Billing's just where you're going to review your account. And then you have Legal, which reviews the terms of service and also has the privacy policy. So let's go back to our dashboard. And that's it. That's a quick tutorial on navigating the main menu at Dataczar Connect.